Survival. In the years that have passed, it's become an instinct. It's just what you do. Hardly even think about it. It's like breathing. You breathe. And as life throws you all these ups and downs, you hold on. You weather the storm, whether it may be clear and sunny outside, or there is an actual storm. But the key part, really, is as you're going through all these ups and downs, is to always keep an eye on the horizon. With the situation always changing, if you're just watching in front of you, if you're just looking at your current situation, you might miss something very important coming at you. So it is a definite thing to watch ahead. See what's coming at you. Prepare for it. Sometimes you got to get a different perspective. A different perspective really helps you get the bigger picture of what's around you. Can add the information to what you've got going on and adjust accordingly. Sometimes it'll tell you that you need to slow down just a bit, take a moment, ease your way through what's going on. Or sometimes you just grab a fistful of throttle and get going. Right now, I don't think it's that time, though. Right now, it's time to move slow, thoughtful. Be mindful of my path. So there you are, moving forward, keeping an eye on what you're doing, keeping an eye on the horizon. And you realize it really is time to slow down and pick your path carefully. Because the wrong decision can spell disaster. And it's not like we haven't gone through a lot of disaster already. There is a large amount of loss that everybody has gone through because of poor decision. When you're taking your time, picking your way through your path, and you're moving mindfully, it does give you the opportunity to have ingenuity, to be able to test things that you've never done before, and to hone skills that you have during this time frame. It's a good thing to be able to do that. One needs every skill that one has to be able to move forward, to make it to the next horizon. After a moment, you've made it through your tests and trials, and everything kind of clears up, and you get to start moving again. It's time to grab that fistful of throttle and rock it forward. thanks for riding along. We'll see you on the next round. Bye.